In fact, the Delhi Mayor, Shelley Oberoi, who's only come on record at the moment, in fact, has now ordered to set up 4 libraries in the name of the deceased students. Remember, the 3 students who lost their life after the inundation of the basement that was illegally running as a library at the Rouse IS Academy in Old Rajendra Nagar. Now setting up 4 libraries in their names has been advised by the Delhi Mayor. For more details on the story, we have Ananya on the broadcast. Ananya, belated action, one after the other by the Delhi authorities. This time the Delhi mayor in question, who in fact was seeing a lot of wrath by the students and by the others who in fact were looking closely at this story, has now ordered the setting up of libraries. The big question is, why now?
Well, definitely, Griya, this seems to be, the waking up from, in fact, a long-drawn hibernation. And that's exactly what has happened with the Delhi mayor, who has not been in action until and unless, the innocent life in the old Rajendra Nagar area was lost. They swung into action only after, the Delhi High Court has, unleashed its wrath on, in fact, the NCT officials and the Delhi government. And more importantly, since today the matter is to be heard by the Delhi High Court at 2:30, the NCT commissioner and the deputy commissioner of police, along with the investigation officer, has to be present physically before the court. That's the reason why, we see these eye-washing exercises being done by the Delhi mayor, trying to get an emotional angle to it by saying that, the food library should be in the name of these students. So all of this seems to be eye-wash exercise, because the big question, Griya, that still remains at the play is, where is that particular NCT councillor who is responsible for the old Rajendra Nagar area? Where is Aarti Chawla? The Aam Aadmi Party has no questions to answer on that. Not only that, very clearly, in fact, that particular driver who was a passerby was booked by the Delhi police yesterday while granting him bail. In fact, the Sessions Court, noted that the charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder has been attached by the Delhi police in an over-enthusiasm. He was not somebody who should have been arrested in this particular case as well.
Absolutely. Ananya, I request you to stay on with us. We are getting more breaking news from this very story that we continue to